static str make trans x optional y optional z. This static method returns a translational table usable for str.translate. If there is only one argument, it must be a dictionary mapping Unicode ordinals, integers, or characters, strings of length 1 to Unicode ordinals, strings of arbitrary lengths or none. Character keys will then be converted to ordinals. If there are two arguments, they must be strings of equal length, and in the resulting dictionary, each character in X will be mapped to the character at the same position in Y. If there is a third argument, it must be a string whose characters will be mapped to none in the results. Translation table. str.translate table. Return a copy of the string in which each character has been mapped through the given translation table. The table must be an object that implements indexing via __get item __ method, typically a mapping or sequence. When indexed by a Unicode ordinal and integer, the table object can do any of the following: return a Unicode ordinal or a string. To map the character to one or more other characters, return none. To delete the character from this return string, or raise a lookup error exception to map the character to itself. You can use str.mactrans to create a translation map from character to character mappings in different formats. See also the codex module for a more flexible approach to custom character mapping. So make trans example, let's see. Example Python. So txt is equal to hello sen. Let's see. Txt is equal to hello sam. My table is equal to str.mactrans s to p. So s will become p. Print tag txt.translate my table, and it will print hello Pam. Okay. Now str.partition sep. Split the string at the first occurrence of sep separator and return a 3 tuple containing the part before separator, the separator itself, and the part after the separator. If the separator is not found, return a 3 tuple containing the string itself followed by 2 empty strings. Partition. So remove this example. Print txt.partition. So partition is double L. So he double L O same. If I say O, it's not O, it's 0. So hello Sam, empty empty. If I say O, then hello Sam. If I say he, then empty he, hello Sam. It's partition. str.remove prefix comma slash. If the string starts with the prefix string, return string length prefix colon. Otherwise, return a copy of the original string. Test hook dot remove prefix test. Print Test hook, remove prefix test. It will print only hook. Base test case dot remove prefix test. It will not remove anything because test is in the middle of the string. It will print base test. Remove suffix comma slash. If the string ends with the suffix string and that suffix is not empty, return string colon minus length suffix. Otherwise, return a copy of the original string. For example, miscellaneous test, remove suffix test. Remove suffix test, miscellaneous, and mix in test. It will do nothing and return the original string. Remove suffix. Now str.replace old new count. Return a copy of the string with all occurrences of substring old replaced by new. If the optional argument count is given, only the first count occurrences will be replaced. AA BB CC AA BB CC dot replace AA with XX XX. So here XX BB CC XX BB CC, and now if I print if I pass count argument, it will only replace the first occurrence and not this one. So this is replace. Rfind sub start end. Return the highest index in the string where substring sub is found, such that S sub is contained within S start end. Optional arguments start and end are interpreted as in slice notation. Return -1 on failure. Rfind. Rfind. B. So it will return 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9. If I say start I say 0 and I say 4, then it will return 0 1 2 3, right? It's like that. And if I say Z, it will return -1. Now str.rIndex sub start end like rfind, but raises value error when the substring sub is not found. So rIndex, if I say substring not found, value error, and if I say B, so it will return 3, correct? strrjust width fill character, this we already show. If there is space, rjust will expected at least one argument. Width is 30. Just right. And if I provide fill character hash, it will fill the space with hashes. Okay. Then R partition, split the string at the last occurrence of separator and return a 3 tuple containing the part before the separator the separator itself and the part after the separator. If the separator is not found, return a three tuple containing two empty string followed by string itself. R partition. R partition. My string is BB. It will return this, correct? If I say CC, it will return this. If I say ZZ, it will return two empty string followed by this. Okay. R strip. Return a copy of the string with trailing characters removed. Uh, the character chars argument is a string specifying the set of characters to be removed. If omitted or none, the character argument defaults to removing white space. The chars argument is not a suffix, rather all combination of its values are stripped. For example, this, if I say R strip, so it will strip, right? And if I say R strip IPZ, 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 IPZ necessity, right? This is the example. R strip Python. If I say Python, it will remove Python and only print M. Oh, this one will be also removed. Thank you.